And that's what we're using. TMG-SRT72 rotary tiller. Hey guys, welcome back to Small Farm Guys. Today we're going to be tilling our garden. Like a glove. And that's what we're using. TMG-SRT72 rotary tiller. Works good. You'll see the time lapse. It's not going to be perfect because, I mean, the skid's not small, so, but it did what we needed to do. Normally we don't till, but it's been about 5 or 6 years, so I decided it'd be a good time to till, but it really pulverizes the stuff up nice. So we'll get back to you with our new little garden series. So just stay tuned. Obviously you can't get to the edges because you got gearboxes and stuff in the way.